Hey guys, welcome to another video update on the trading series with Funded Trader Markets. I'm going to show you guys a breakdown of the trades that I was able to take for this month. Now, I'm going to show you which pairs I took. I'm not going to show you the live trades because most of you guys have been complaining that the videos were way too long. That is why I stopped showing you guys the live trades when I'm actually taking the trades. But this is going to be a very good video, so watch it from beginning to the end so that you can see which pairs I took. This video is going to be very exciting, and I'm going to show you also the account type I'm trading and also the other account types that are available for you to take advantage of. So guys, if that is something that you like, please do not skip the video, watch it from the beginning to the end so that you can get the good value that is in this video. All right, so I'm going to go onto the screen so that I can show you guys step by step the trades I was able to take, and also show you Funded Trader Markets dashboard and a breakdown of some of the metrics on there, and also the trades that I took and account types that are available on FTM. If you always are looking for a prop firm and you're skipping from prop firm to prop firm and you're finding it hard to find a prop firm that is actually suitable for trading, Funded Trader Market is going to be that prop firm. If you decide to get an account challenge with FTM, use the discount code in the description. That is going to give you an extra 5% off your purchase. So guys, let's go to the screen and let's get started. So traders, you can see we are here on my Funded Trader Markets account. As you can see here, it's $51,257. That is where I have stopped trading and wait for my payout. So I'm just going to show you the history. So this is the history here from the last withdrawal, which is this one on top here, -1281. That was the last withdrawal. I showed you guys that in the previous video. So these are the trades I took from that time, with one huge loss here for $500, and then the rest were really basically profitable with some 2-3 losses. I had a total of 3 losses after this $500 loss, but the rest of them were profitable. So generally the profitable trades were able to recover the losses that I had on this account in this trading period. So I made a total of $1,428. As you can see here, the commission is -$172, and that brings the total profit to $1,256, as you can see here at the bottom left of the screen, right? So I'm not going to go through all the pairs and all the trades. I'm just going to go through a few, which is Euro NZD, and then we'll also look at GBP CHF, and then we'll look at maybe one more because I don't want to make the video way too long. Funded Trader Markets has really been a good prop firm that I've been trading with. You guys who have been following me and all of you who have actually also traded have actually found this very, very good. All right, this prop firm is really amazing with their offers and their account types and even their trading conditions. You can see the spread is very tight. That is on a 15-minute chart on Euro NZD. It's a very good spread. Like if I show you the spreads here for these currencies, you can just see most of them are below 1 pip, 0.2, 0.5, 0.5. As you can see, most of the pairs have less than 1 pip of a spread, which is not really common with the regular forex brokers. So when you're trading with Funded Trader Markets, you're going to be trading with a very, very good spread, which will allow you to hit your targets much faster. All right, so this Euro NZD trade that I took here was the one that gave me that loss of $500. I took a trade here because the market was going up, pulled back into the tradable zone, and then I saw these candles here, 1, 2, 3 white soldiers. I took a trade here, and then the market reversed on me, and then I ended up losing $500, as you can see right here. So after that, I took also some trades on GBP CHF. You can see I took this first trade here on GBP CHF. I took a trade from here, sold from here, and then I closed here with a profit of $79. All right, and then the market went up, and then I took another sell here, and then I closed it down here with a profit of $203, as you can see the trades. And then I also took another sell right here, and then I closed it down here with a profit of $103. And then I took another sell right here, and then I added another one here and another one here, and then I closed all of them down here, right? So the average profit here was $50. So GBP CHF contributed a lot in this trading period. to the account being at where it is right now. All right, let's look at CAD JPY quickly, then we can look at other metrics. So CAD JPY, I also did take some trades here. You can see here I took that trade here, I took a buy here, the market went into some drawdown, and then I closed the trade up here for $141. Now some of you have been asking me why I close my trades early on a funded account. It's because I am trying to secure some profits to get a payout. But if you are swing trading and you take this trade like from here and hold it longer term, like if you hold it up there, you would get almost 10 times this amount here. All right, but remember guys, as you're watching this, don't take this as any financial advice. All right, I'm purely showing you what I trade, and I'm showing you my method that I use for trading. I am not giving you any financial advice. If you want financial advice, seek services of a qualified financial advisor who will be able to help you in your trading journey. All right, this is just purely for educational purposes. Now you can see this is what I took on CAD JPY. Maybe we can look at also Euro JPY, because I took some trades on Euro JPY also. I took some trades right here. I bought here, then bought here also, and then I closed both of them here for $37 and here $18. Also I took some buy back here, then I closed it up here for $9. Then I took another buy here, and then I closed it up here for $150. Some people are asking me why I closed this early, because the market actually did continue going up, but that is not my goal for this account. I was trading it to get a payout. All right, so that is enough for the pairs. I'll show you guys in another video a full breakdown of how I actually took these trades. If you want to, you can just comment down below, then I'll come back and do another detailed video showing you exactly how I took the trades with bar replay, of course. Right now the account is ready for a withdrawal. You can see most of the trades here took hit take profits. Some of them I closed them manually. Now let me just show you guys the report so that you can see. So this is the report for the account so far. So far I have made total profit of $6,000, and then I have lost 1,690. Generally you can see it's a profitable season. You can see here, this is when I first got the first trading. From here I took my trades, and then when I got the withdrawal, that is why you see this drop here. This drop is a withdrawal, and then I took more trades. This was on season 2. I took more trades here, and then I waited and then got a withdrawal here. This was the second withdrawal down here. And then I took more trades for this last session that I'm actually showing you guys right now. I took the trades here, and now I am waiting for a withdrawal. So we'll look at the profit and loss here. You can see up here, and you can also see down here. We won't dwell so much on that. You can see here the trades that I have been able to take right here. If you want to get your hands onto these metrics here, you can just send me a WhatsApp. That is, if you want to discuss a potential collaboration, you can just send me a WhatsApp and we'll see what to do. Let me show you the risk. You can see my drawdown at 0% according to these metrics. It's at 0%. That is something you cannot make up, guys. You can't make this stuff up. All right, so you've seen the account, you've seen the metrics. Now I'm going to show you guys my dashboard so that you can see the same account. All right, so this is my dashboard right here. You can see it's the same account, and can see the balance is the same right here. I've fulfilled all the trading conditions. My win rate is 86%. Trading days are 5 out of 5, and the consistency is 32.21 out of 45%, right? Generally you can see that I have been very consistent with trading the style that I trade, and you can see in this trading season I was able to get all my days were profitable, as you can see here on the dashboard. All right, I am now ready to request for a payout, but in this video I won't do that. I'll do that in the next video, when I am going to show you guys the details of account type that you guys have been requesting, which is the Nitro X or the Nitro one step or funded trader market. So I'll come back, and then when we're doing the request for the payout, I'll also go through that account. But just to be transparent, let me show you guys the payouts here. You can see I have so far got 2 payouts, so that you guys can see next time when I get the third payout, you will see that this will approve or update here for the payouts. All right, so funded trader market is the platform I'm using throughout this series, and they've been nothing but really good and incredible to me. The trading conditions have been amazing, the commissions very low, and the spreads very tight. Funded Trader Markets has fulfilled this promise that you see here of no excuses. You guys have seen that I've received my payout within 7 minutes, 10 minutes. Most of the time it has been under 10 minutes. Alright, so I cannot say anything else about Funded Trader Markets other than being an incredible prop firm that you can actually get involved with to start your trading journey. Now, Funded Trader Markets has 3 evaluation types, which is the 1-step, 2-step, and then the instant funding. But I am going to talk to you guys about this 1-step evaluation, which is the account type that you guys have requested me to talk about in detail. So I'll come back in the next video when we are doing like a withdrawal. Okay, when we're requesting for withdrawal, we'll go through this in detail, the 1-step Nitro and then the 1-step Nitro X. I'll explain to you all the rules, all the conditions, and everything that you need to know about this account type so that you can get started on your trading journey with Funded Trader Markets. If you really like to join me in this journey trading Funded Trader Markets, use the link in the description of the video, and also use the code that I'm providing in the description of the video so that you can get extra 5% discount off your plan. Do not let this year end before you improve your life, improve your trading with Funded Trader Markets. You can also take advantage of the current running promotions. As you can see on top, they have discounts where you can buy one and get one free, and you can also get 100% lifetime split, okay, and you can get a 10% profit increase on your payout. So guys, let us go and sign up with Funded Trader Markets using the link in the description of the video and the first pinned comment, guys. Thank you guys for watching this update. Until next time, guys, be sure to subscribe, like the video. See you next time. Peace and out.